Alrighty, what is good? So it's September 15th and it's Friday, so heading into the weekend now. And this was my only video for this week, but I did have a trade earlier in the week. I'm pretty sure it was Monday, but it was a loss. I just didn't record it that day. Sorry, my fault. But I was down I risked like 2.25 points, so I was down about $50. So that made my account red, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And so today, obviously, you can tell we're down 107. So I took two trades today. Managed to just fuck it up. Honestly, I should have been green today, but I mean, I fucked it up. So I mean, wouldn't be a normal day without me fucking it up somehow. So I mean, realistically, I should be up about like $50 about there, but my first trade is kind of where I fucked it up. So I mean, we kind of just been selling off all day. I mean, I have like two trades. Okay, so I'll start with this. So I mean, I knew we were gonna be selling off today, or I mean, I was pretty positive we were gonna be selling off today. So we're in this like bigger selling channel. Like you see this line right here and this one right here. We're in this bigger selling channel, and then inside of it there was this channel, and we broke out of it today. So I did take some puts on like a paper trade account on a different platform, and they expired in like a week, but I bought them early in the morning, like 10 minutes into market open. And so I mean, I was pretty confident that we've been selling off today, so I made a decent amount on there, but it's just a paper trade account. So yeah, I went short twice today. So let me show you the first trade. So I mean, both of them are kind of in the morning before it hit like noon on the East Coast. So first one was right here. Like I said, I tried to go short on both of these trades. So I bought in right here and it went down, but I still managed to fuck it up and got stopped out, which you're probably asking yourself how that happened, and don't worry, I'm about to show you. So let's see. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can see this right here. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? So this was like right here, so it just came down. I was waiting for a pullback, and as you can see, it started to come up, and it was just staying at this level right here. So I was like, I don't know if in the video somewhere I'm kind of just like, I'm talking to myself saying like, just go up, go up, go up. But for like just a few minutes, it's staying at this one level. I have my cursor over the sell button because I'm trying to go short. So I'm waiting for it to hit the EMA. And I get impatient as fuck. And so it's just staying there. So, I mean, if this is the first video you're watching of mine, I like to get in right on the EMA because I like to risk 2 points. So I like to try to get in right on the EMA. But I was impatient as fuck. And as soon as I bought in, starts to come up to the EMA. Like literally right as I buy in. I was waiting like 4 minutes for this shit to come up to the EMA, and it's just staying at this one level. As soon as I buy in, it jumps up to the EMA.
Now it's gonna come up to the EMA, bruh. That's literally as soon as I buy in.
So I'm risking 2 points, and it came up like 1.5 points. I ended up moving my stop up 0.5 point, so I'm risking 2.5 points. So as soon as I buy in, it comes up to my EMA, which is annoying as fuck. So I mean, okay, so yeah, I moved my stop down a little bit, I think.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so I risked. Oh wait, no, I was risking 2.5 points, and you can see I'm like frustrated as fuck because I mean, obviously, I knew I was short today. I took put options. I knew I was short. I knew we were selling off today, And I mean, yeah, I bought in, and I got stopped out right about here. Came down, and it would have been fine if I just actually was patient enough and waited for it to actually hit the EMA. Because if it would have, it never would have hit my stop. Because it never went 2 points above the EMA. So yeah, that's that trade. See, it would have been actually like amazing for that trade. I would have got hella points on that one. Like without a doubt, would have got 6 points. Would have had a nice ass runner. So it's actually crazy. I would have been up more than 50 actually today. So I mean that one trade alone should have been a shit ton, which is frustrating as fuck. So yeah, I should have gotten this entire move down, because I mean I bought in. My entry's at 45.26, and like the low was 45.08. So like literally 18 points. This is an 18-point move right here, almost a 20-point move right here. So it's just annoying as fuck. And then my next trade, next trade was a little bit later. I was trying to go short again. It was right here. So I mean, obviously I wasn't expecting like this full push through. Pretty sure this is 20-day. Yeah, pretty sure this is 20-day. This red line, this is 20-day. I wasn't expecting a full push through here, but I mean, it happened, and I was kind of trying to play the retest of it. That wasn't my exact reasoning. I wasn't, but the retest was there. So I tried to get in on kind of in between the EMA and the 20-day. So I mean, I started recording because I was still kind of debating on whether or not I was going to be in the trade or not. So I mean, I got in a little bit above the EMA, probably like a half a point, or maybe just a tick above the EMA, because I was waiting to see if it was gonna retest the 20-day right here, but it didn't end up exactly touching the 20-day. Whoops, bruv, I hate this. Fuck TradingView. It didn't exactly end up touching the 20-day. Kind of went in between both the EMA and the 20-day. So I had a good entry. So as you can see, like as soon as I bought in, I wasn't red at all. Like I was break even at some point, but I was never red. So ended up going down a few points, kind of rejecting off like 45.10 and just consolidating. And so you can see on Bookmap, there's a liquidity right here. So I was thinking about taking off a couple contracts, so like half my position. But honestly, whenever like this happened last week, I'm pretty sure it was Friday, I took off I took off half my position just because it looked like it was rejecting off or like bouncing off another level, which is happening right here. So whenever it seems that I take off half my position just because it's like either consolidating or is jumping off one of the liquidity levels, I end up getting 6 points. So that's what I'm thinking here. That's why I didn't take it off here, because I noticed this liquidity level right here.
Can't push past it.
And so we never really end up pushing past it. We end up going a little bit below it, but a candle doesn't close above it or below it, sorry. So right here, I was thinking about closing out my position. I just didn't end up doing it. Sorry about that noise. That's just an alert. And then we just came up, and I was like, bruh, no fucking way. So we up went above the EMA, which is not a good sign. And yeah, I still had I didn't move my stop down to break even, only because I was still kind of waiting to see if we'd have a retest of 20-day. So I had my stop just like probably like a tick or two, probably like a tick or two above the 20-day, just to see if we would retest it. And so came up above my entry point, and this was the initial retest. Like it perfectly rejected off the 20 day on like the 3 minute, which is what I like to see. So that looked good. And it came down to make me, it came down to below my entry point, which looked good, but then just came right back up and I got stopped out. So, I mean, that second trade didn't work out, but the first trade should have fucking worked out. Like my first trade, I was just impatient. Like the setup was there, like everything looked good. Just, bro, I was just impatient, which is actually crazy. Cause I mean, I have rules for my setup and I've been doing well. I haven't been impatient. I don't know why I took it. So, yeah, I don't know what to say, but it is what it is. Got some nice fake money, up like 100% on my puts. But who gives a fuck, right? Who gives a fuck? So down 107 on the day, and down 150 on the account. So, oh my gosh. So yeah, I don't even know what to say, but fuck my life. Still learning, and shit. Yeah, I don't even know why motherfuckers don't trade on the weekends. Like, I got my ass gotta wait till Monday now. But fuck it. This video is probably the longest fuck already. 11 minutes. Oh my god, I'm finna end this bitch.